Creating your own home decor is not just fun but also cost effective. And today, we're going to show you how to DIY this mirror wall decor. For this DIY, here are the materials that we will need. First step is to separate the mirrors from the frames. Applying the primer is an optional step, but we did that in this project because we have black and silver mirror frames. Next, firmly glue the frames together. And then glue the giant craft sticks in between the frames. Next step is to paint the frame. Applying a top coat such as wax after painting is an optional step. Now stick on the hanging strips on the frame and then place the mirrors back into the frame. Now it's time to fix the mirror frame, pressing it firmly to the wall. So there you have it. Just by using inexpensive materials, we were able to create this mirror wall decor, which you can use anywhere in your house and can be combined with your favorite home decors. In Dallas, Texas, I'm Nenita Manaois. We live in interesting times.
Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below.
Make sure you subscribe to EBC Digital Nest and follow all our other social media platforms to see more content like this.